Hello everyone. We've got an exciting extension for your WooCommerce store. This is an XforWooCommerce Whitelabel or simple reskin plugin. XforWooCommerce Dashboard by default looks like so. This plugin we're introducing can change its looks and match your store. Let's install the XforWooCommerce Whitelabel plugin. Click Add Plugin and upload the archive that you have downloaded from Envato. Activate the plugin. Settings page is a bit hidden, so under Plugins click Settings. We can set the menu name, XforWooCommerce Logo, and a common plugin cover. Plugins can be set individually, their names, descriptions and cover images can be customized. When done, click Save Configuration. Let's see what we've done. Oh, it looks so cool now and fits our store. The boss will never know which software we use here. Awesome. If we reset configuration, things will go back to normal. Thanks for watching and get this plugin at XforWooCommerce.com.